All right. You do not need a new life. What you need is new habits. New habits to get you where you want to go. New habits to develop the things that you want to develop and grow the way that you need to grow. So, with that, many men believe that they need to be completely different in their lives or they need a completely different life. That's not the case. And what I'm talking about is they feel as though they need a different job, a different city, a different relationship. Sometimes that's true. Sometimes you may need to move, but sometimes too, a lot of things is just small changes in you, small habits that'll create what you need to create. So, most men of the time, what we really need is better habits, better utilization of our time, better associations, different things like that are going to get us where we want to be. Different habits that we can create to where now those become our new normal. So, point one, beat, excuse me, small habits beat big dreams. Because in order to get from A to B, what do you have to do? You have to start somewhere. So starting somewhere is really simple by you starting to create the habits that are going to lead you in the direction that you want to be in. So few people have systems. You want to create a system for how you're going to do things and understand that that system is going to change from time to time. You need to wake up about 30 minutes earlier. 30 minutes earlier so that you can start doing the things. Most of us wait until the alarm clock rings, and then once we do that, we procrastinate. Or we get up and we waste time doing other stuff. Now, mind you, you taking a couple of minutes to get yourself together because you just open your eyes, that's fine. That's not a problem with that. But you need to wake up a little bit earlier so that you can start applying the things that you want to practice then, right then and there, to get you ready for the rest of the day. I try to do stuff the night before, but everybody's different. But you need to get yourself 30 minutes every day so that when you wake up or before you go to bed, you're ready to deal with whatever it is going to do. You're going to deal with. The other thing is try to read at least 10 pages of a new book, something that's going to grow you, something that's going to help you to elevate yourself to the next level. And then the other thing is try to walk about 20 minutes daily. Doesn't have to be a brisk walk, can just be a nice slow walk to get your thoughts, to get your mind in place. All right. And if you can do that walk more than once a day, great. But try to get yourself at least a 20-minute walk to where you can do what you need to do. And this is part of that habit. Those small decisions become a big difference in life as we move forward. Point two. Point two, protect your health like your retirement depends on it. Protect your health like your retirement depends on it. Because it does. It really does. What 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 good is financial freedom if your body can't enjoy it? All right? Eat better, move more, schedule your medical checkups. And if you don't agree with the doctor, get a second opinion. Look at some holistic medicine stuff. Whatever it is that's going to help you to get your life in order and make you feel better and do better. Your flexibility, all of those different things, right, are things that you want to work on. Take your health seriously because it is. It's all you got. All right. Number three, feed your mind. You can't build a championship life with a defeatist mindset. You just can't do it. Why? Because you've already started in a losing realm. So you don't want to do that. So turn off the negative news. Read a book. Not, and to be honest, it doesn't have to be a book that's going to teach you something new. It could be a story, but something that's going to energize you, something that's going to move you forward, something that's going to get your mind actually working and thinking. Okay? Read a book. All right? Listen to educational podcasts. There's a bunch of podcasts out there that have substance that aren't just entertainment, that actually are going to help you to do what you need to do and to move forward because you're going to learn stuff from it. So listen to some educational podcasts. Surround yourself with men who challenge you to grow. I talked to a brother literally today, and every time I talk to this brother, I grow. All right. Maybe that grow might be infinitesimal. You know what I mean? That might be this little tiny thing, but that's growth no matter how. We talk about the story about bamboo, how you can plant bamboo and water it for 5 years and then or water it for 4.5 years. And then on the fifth year, all of a sudden, boom, you wake up one morning and you got a garden. It wasn't that bamboo wasn't growing. It wasn't that your goals and the things that you were working on weren't growing. It's just that it hadn't come to the surface. the vines, the weeds, all of that stuff was actually growing. The roots were growing all over the place. It's just that they hadn't broke the soil. So again, something to think about. But surround yourself with people that are going to help you grow. Number 4, repeat, it feels normal. Repeat until it feels normal. So repeat it until it feels normal, until it becomes the habit that you want and need it to be. Success isn't always exciting. All right. It's repetitive though. It's repetitive. It's something that if you keep doing the things that you're going to do, you're going to acquire more and more success. What happens is we reach a certain level of success and then we start relying on our laurels. We start acting like, okay, well, that's how it is. But success will show up again and again and again. But you now are building that happening. You're building so that that happens. You're setting stuff in place so the success that you want, the dreams that you have, become realities and become the things that you want it to be. So you don't need a miracle to be happy, to be healthy, any of that stuff. Again, there's genetics that play against you, but even then, you can still have the best life that you can have. So you don't need a miracle. What you need is momentum. And momentum is built one habit at a time. This is Mr. Z. Mr. Z Inspires. Please check us out at www.mrzinspires.com. And also, please subscribe to our YouTube page at Mr. Z Inspires. And with that, you guys have a great and blessed day. Be well, take care, and take care of you. Peace.